Hey, what's up Pundi-X holder? So this is the latest update of Pundi-X and what's the prediction to upcoming days Pundi-X moving up or fails down. You can see here my friend the Pundi-X is completely fails down, so therefore this update is very urgent and this prediction is very important. So kindly don't skip any second of this video because this video is if you watch then absolutely you are be safe from more loss. Before I start this video I request you my brother to please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 10,000 subscribe. I do a giveaway of Pundi-X. So kindly complete my 10,000 subscribe. My friend, if you can see here, the last 7 days chart is I already open and this time if you can see here, first of all, the update is very important to I update you. Plus 3.49 US dollar is the latest price of Pundi-X, and you can see here minus 12.39% they fails down in the last 7 days. So this is the first week of this month and they completely fails down. You can see here. So my friend, why they fails down? The first big reason is that to people starting selling, and the second reason is that this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency and the start of month fails down like a rocket. So definitely there are also fails down. My friend, if we predicate this time, absolutely my friend, you can see here, first of all I want to draw a line 1 and the second I draw a line 2. So the first line you can see here touch the highest point and the second the lowest point. You can see here after a failure they take a jump. You can see here every cryptocurrencies are moving in this circulation. Exactly my friend, if they're moving in this circulation, you can see here after a fails they take a jump. So in upcoming time they take a jump. I have no idea to how a long jump they take a long jump my friend, but they take a long jump. I don't know today take a small jump or they take a big jump, but they take a jump my friend in upcoming time. So kindly my friend hold it, don't sell it. This is very important to you hold it because they give you a very good profit. So kindly my friends please hold it. You can see here absolutely I am right. You can see here I told you my friend to in upcoming days they take a jump, so definitely I am right. You can see here in the last 1 hour change occur is plus 0.4% they moving up. So I think this is very good. So I think this is very good from all holder. So Pundi-X holder, this is the prediction to upcoming days they moving up. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching Pundi-X holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.